Hey y'all, it's me Azalea, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Waycrunchy. So, y'all, the sun is shining. The sun is shining. It's early in the morning. It's already 59 degrees. It's going to be almost 70. This is the last day of February, and I am thrilled. I've mentioned to you guys many times I have a severe case of seasonal depression, and the way it manifests is if the sun is shining, I have tons of energy. If it's raining, winter or summer, I struggle. So I need the sun to actually be shining on me. And I do take medication, not meditation, for this. It would be worse if I didn't. So y'all, today I know I'm gonna get so much done, and I'm thrilled about it because y'all know I just moved and I need to finish closing out the last house and return those keys. I need to unpack the new house. I need to nest for my baby that's coming. I'm very pregnant. I got a lot of good things to keep me busy today, and I'm thrilled. So one thing, if you are a person who struggles with any kind of mental illness, depression, anxiety, bipolar, panic disorder, all sorts of different things, let me know if you relate to, when you have really good days, you kill it and you get everything done on the good days, because then you might not get anything done on the bad days. Like, do you do that for yourself? It's like a gift I give to myself. I know I feel good, so I'm going to take care of future Azalea, because I know she's going to have days where she doesn't get anything done and she doesn't feel good at all. So when you got your highs, you take care of business, because you know them lows are coming. Is it like that? Does anyone relate to this? Anyway, I'm at Lowe's. Our new house has mice in it, and they woke me up 2 nights in a row. They're talking with each other. So, y'all, call PETA, because I'm about to poison these mice. Hey, John, you want to tell me a story of a terrible thing that happened with you and a rat?
No.
Ugh. All right, y'all. So I've been using Tomcat in the past, little poison traps. But I've done a lot of research because John told me this terrifying tale. He told it to me years ago, and it sticks with me in my stomach. And so when he lived in Washington, D.C., big cities, you know how it is. The rats, big rats, got into his apartment walls and ceilings, and he went on a vacation. And he had a landlord who had like exterminators and that kind of thing. So they're trying to take care of this rat problem. And so he went on vacation. How long were you gone for?
I might have been visiting you.
He was gone for a little while, and he came back home to his apartment, and it was stinky. And so he investigated. I imagine it was next level stinky. And he investigated, and you went into what, the bathroom?
Yeah, panel, and there was a rat body on the panel. And it was Saturday night, so the exterminators couldn't come out and get it, so I had to take it out.
Like a ceiling panel?
Yeah, you unscrewed it, and it came down, and there was a rat on it, so I unscrewed it, and I felt the weight, and it's like, oh my god.
Just juicy and dead. But yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Ugh. What a thing to come home to. So John's horrifying tale sent me down a researching rabbit hole once these new little mice started talking last night and keeping me awake. So I knew there was some kind of way, something that would not only kill the rodent, but would then mummify, would then dry the body so you don't have juicy, stinky bodies in your walls. And so I went on, and the Tomcat that I had been using, that doesn't dry them up. That just kills them. It's Rat X. Rat X. That's what my research has shown me. Mummifies the body. They say up to 90% of liquids will be out of this body. So we won't have another episode like John had. It's patent pending. I don't know. So it's supposed to, I don't know, you can put it around livestock and stuff. There's something special about this stuff. This day is sublime. I'm gonna sit out here. I'm gonna plant my seeds. Sit in the sun. It just feels so good. Got a lot of seeds here. So excited to plant. All right, these are the different tomatoes I'm growing this year. Black strawberry, Brad's Atomic Grape, Barry's Crazy Cherry, the tiniest tomatoes in the world. Tomato Rosella. It's not that impressive looking, but it's supposed to taste amazing. And then the Sart Rolois. So these were all from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. I love the variety they have. I'm definitely bigger on cherry and grape tomatoes, but I do have one full size. Whenever I'm using the last of a pack of seeds, I started putting them in this little bunch. It's like a little diary. These are just all empty seed packs. I am extremely excited about these tiny little eggplants. So excited. I'm going to do a full 6 of these. I just did 2 of each of the tomato plants. And then I want a full 6er of these guys. They're so cute. I bet I can do shish kebabs with them on the grill. Get some beautiful flowers going. Kale chip snack. Now a tiny little cherry Coke, because I am a woman of contradictions. All right, back inside, got all my whole seed tray full. I'll start more seeds, but not today. I'm nailing it today. The vibes are wonderful, as I had anticipated. I have also called my plumber / electrician about my hot water heater not heating up my shower. So I left him a message, did a voice call and a text message. And then I also set up trash pickup for the new house, and our new trash can should arrive tomorrow. And then now we have curbside trash pickup. We'd been hauling our garbage, and I had been hauling my garbage because we lived really close to the dump when we were at the barn. So it was like no problem, because it was also a recycling center. So it was recycling center, bulk waste, and regular trash disposal for free, like right near the barn house. But we're farther away now from that facility, and I'm also going to have a little baby, and we're just doing a lot of upgrades of like lifestyle now that we have the house. If you have been following, then you know it's like a debt-free journey, and we bought a $20,000 house and fixed it up ourselves for a year and a half so that we could be free from rent and mortgage. So now we're trying to like reap the benefits of how far we've come. So now we're not going to haul our garbage anymore. We're going to have curbside pickup and etc., etc. So I'm nailing it. Now I'm taking a little rest, sitting in the bed. I am very pregnant, and I think it's really good to rest. I like a little afternoon rest, even when I'm feeling super vibrant. And then today, I haven't been doing like coffee very often. I weaned myself off of it pretty early in the pregnancy, and I'll do just like a little bit. But today I'm going to do a little bit to do a burst of work before I get my children from school. So that's my plan, is to rest, drink coffee, have an energy burst, get something else done, and then go get my children. All right, so now I'm infusing my floors and walls with rat and mouse poison. So I already put one little bag of it underneath the children's floor, which is in the ceiling of the living room. When we first got this house, there used to be a hole right here. So I filled it in with some tongue and groove, screwed it in, painted it to match the rest of the floor. And so I had the screws in here so I could just unscrew one of the panels and put some poison into the floor. Now, right above my bedroom is where I hear them at night. I need to get some up in the ceiling. All right, in the kitchen, I had those little pieces of wood that I screwed in over top of the floor holes that were in here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna unscrew that and put poison in it. There you go. Oi. Now, in general, down up in these basement walls will be good. There's no evidence. There's no mouse droppings. I just know they're in the walls, in the ceiling. They're not in our food or in our kitchen yet, and I'd like to keep it that way. All right, 4 packets of poison have been placed. where children and pets cannot reach them. And I guess now we just wait and see what happens. Another day, y'all. Another day has dawned. It's a little grayer today than it was yesterday. But I continue with nesting and settling in, doing what I need to do for the new house. But I am also still closing down the barn rental. Super thankful and glad at this point in my pregnancy to not be rushed. And I know it's kind of like, go ahead and finish this barn up and be done with it. But when I gotta rest, I gotta rest. And I am patting myself on the back for giving myself some time to come over and do this sort of thing bit by bit. It's a luxury for sure. All right, y'all. Well, I've had my bath here at my bathhouse. Still don't have hot water fixed at the new house. But I can say, for those of you who've been with the channel, you've watched me do quite a few clean with me videos. And this will be the very last time you watch me clean the children's barn room. Alright, I finished the kids' room. And that's all I'm gonna do. That is all I'm gonna do. Taking it easy on myself. I get so tired. So yeah. Drip by drip the bucket fills. Thank you for joining me on another Waycrunchy vlog here. And y'all, I'm all about real reality TV. This is life. This is what life looks like. This is what it really looks like. Love y'all. Enjoy the life you are living.